Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo AIP. Today we're going to see how to set up a GDS372X series video door phone using grandstream's Secure Access app. First, let's take a look at the plans and benefits of using the video door phone directly with the app. To start with, it offers a free plan that includes 10 app users at no cost, door unlocking, the ability to speak to the intercom, take screenshots, play back videos, remote access, user and visitor management, and log features. For example, if you need more than 10 users, you can purchase packages of 10 additional users for $25, or if you need even more users, there are packages of 50 additional users for $100. These packages are purchased through a distributor. To add the device, we'll go to the Secure Access app, which is the one you see here. We'll tap Add Doorbell. It asks us to enable Bluetooth, we'll tap Allow, and here's how to add it. We'll go here where it says See how to enable and hold down the doorbell button for a few seconds to add the device. We'll wait for the device to respond with a beep. Once that's done, we'll select it and add it here. We'll give it a name and tap Add. Then select Cancel, tap Back, and the device will be successfully added. If we test the unlocking function, the relay will open the door. Let's take a look at the different types of opening mechanisms we can add. Go to My PIN, Other Unlock Methods. Here you'll see how to activate the device's relay. Proximity Unlock. This is enabled when the cell phone is within a certain distance of the door phone. The proximity controls are shown below. Hands-free unlocking is enabled. To unlock by shaking the phone, Bluetooth must be turned on. Shake it for a few seconds to open the door. This feature is also enabled. We can also enable NFC to unlock via NFC. Here, we'll adjust the proximity setting. Let's turn it down. We can also create a temporary code using a QR code. Here we already have one generated. When you hold the QR code up to the intercom, it will unlock the door. This can be used for guests. Next, we'll configure the intercom's doorbell to have it ring the app when the call button is pressed. Tap the right pointing arrow next to the intercom icon. Press the settings icon. Scroll down to the Press the doorbell to call option. Check the box, select call number, add the app user it will call, and confirm. If you scroll down further, you can also see the device's unlock options. We'll also enable support for unencrypted cards. Click the checkmark to accept the changes, and now we can proceed with the opening tests. We test the proximity feature, and when we bring the phone close to the intercom, it unlocks. Next, we test the QR code, and when we scan it with the camera, it unlocks as well. For the final test, we first enable Bluetooth and then shake the phone for a few seconds until it unlocks. With this test, we conclude the video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.